today, so if the quality isn't so good, forgive me. So, doing total 5 areas. I'm doing cleaning. I'm doing a pet enzyme odor, which I already laid down. I already laid down my pre-spray too. I'm going to do pre-scrubbing with the Oric today. Green brush. Because my multi-wash is all hairy from the last job, and I didn't get a chance to rinse it between jobs, so I'm going to use the Oric for pre-scrubbing. It's going to work well anyway for these stairs. You can tell we got some heavy filtration lines all through the house. So I'm going to do my best on that without any extra charge. So I brought this brush right here, since I don't have my multi-wash out with the side brush. It's really good on this, by the way. I don't know if you've seen my other videos, but so I'm gonna do a little scrub with this brush right here. I got this from Lowe's, $10. Great tools, guys. I mean, if you don't have a lot of money to start your own business, there's tools you can use instead of those expensive mechanical equipment. You just gotta put a little bit more manual labor, that's all. But this worked just fine for these filtration lines. What you do is you spray the filtration lines really good, and then you know, when you're pre-spraying, make sure you get the filtration lines, and then you take something and scrub it, and then when you go to extract, you make sure you spray a little bit there, and you come back and pick it up with in your extraction. So I'm going to go around this house and hit a lot of these as much as possible. This wasn't included in the estimate. I'm just going to do it because I noticed it. Now, if he had wanted to get this done perfectly, there would have been an extra charge on it. I would have had to add that service to it, but I do whatever I can do without adding. Yeah, so if you just can get a good amount of pre-spray on there, and then a little scrubbing, and then make sure you extract it up so it doesn't reappear. Works out pretty good. Okay, stay tuned. What a difference. Wow. guys, so finished up with the job, wrapping it up. I had the customer actually I called the customer as I was cleaning, and he was so amazed. He's like, "Can I take a picture?" I'm like, "Oh yeah, go ahead." He wants to give me a review and post a picture. And also he said, I want you to go ahead and clean. That way they know it's you, so they know it's not like some fake. I don't know, but yeah, it's the first time I ever had a customer want to take a picture of me, video of me in progress, you know, because he was just so happy with the job. He said the last people that came in here were just in and out. They didn't do pre-agitation or anything like that. He's like, I got to keep using you, so that's great. Love to hear that, especially nowadays when we're getting well, me at least, I'm getting a whole bunch of 1-star reviews in the middle of the night, like 3 o'clock. I've had them about 4 days in a row, 5 of them. Really nothing I can do about it. I've been back and forth with Google. I know they're fake because they're out of the country, even Canada reviews and stuff. So, and plus, other carpet cleaners in my area actually are getting the same attacks. It is crazy, and yeah, I've lost a couple of nights sleep, but you know what? There's nothing I can do about it. I'm gonna go ahead and just keep doing my best and keeping the customers that I have. You know, if they keep coming, my score is gonna really go down on Google, and I really worked really hard to build up my reputation on there. So as of 4 days ago, I had a 5-star review, over 60 reviews. So anyway, I hope I can get it taken care of. Until then, I'm going to keep doing my best and pleasing the customers. So think about that, guys. Keep your customers, because if you're just basing your business on new customers, then if something like this happens, your business is going to fail. But if you can retain your customers for a couple of years, then you can have enough clients to keep it going. So, all right. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next video. Alright, as I was wrapping it up, customer came out and said he wanted me to put some carpet protector on. So I'm going to go ahead and add that for him. Keep that in my van always. Yeah. So it's $40 an area. I charge them only for 3 areas. Because, you know, I'm feeling good-hearted. Alright. Let me close this out. Now I'll see you in the next video. I'll put my booties on.